Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to raise a bicycle seat. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have this bike and here is the seat, and I'm going to show you how to raise this seat. Now, this seat does not have a quick release function, it just has a nut and a bolt, as you can see right here, that we will be using to raise the seat. Now, if your bike seat has a quick release lever, it's going to be slightly different. However, the idea is the same. The idea is very simple. This nut and bolt right here, when they're tight, will hold the seat in place. When they're loose, you can raise or lower the seat, okay? Now, essentially, to raise the seat, you want to loosen that nut from the bolt, and then you can raise the seat. If you have a quick release lever, you can just sort of flip the lever out, fold the lever out, and that will loosen it, and then you can raise the seat. And then to tighten it again and hold the seat in place, you just flip the lever back in. That's if you have a quick release lever. If you don't have a quick release lever like this, then you're gonna do it just a little bit differently. So essentially, I have locking pliers that are holding the other side, the head of the bolt on this side. So these pliers right here are holding the head of the bolt. And I'm gonna use these pliers to loosen the nut that is on the bolt. Okay, so I'm gonna take these pliers and I'm gonna turn them counterclockwise, and we are going to loosen that nut. Okay, there we go. So look, I've already loosened it enough, because to be honest with you, I had already loosened it before this video so that it wouldn't be like super tight when I did the video. But yours is probably going to be really, really tight, because you probably tightened it enough to hold the seat for a long period of time. So now that I've loosened it, I'm going to loosen a little bit more with my finger. Now that I've loosened it, I'm going to want to raise the seat up to my desired height. So I'm going to raise it up, and I'm going to go, let's say, right about there. Now, make sure you are staying within the guidelines of the seat, because you can only raise it so much, okay? You can only raise it so much. You don't want to raise it too much, because then it's just not a good thing to do, plain and simple, for a multitude of reasons. So you want to stay within the guidelines of the seat, okay? So I know that I'm staying within the guidelines of the seat. Make sure when you are raising your seat that you're staying within the guidelines of your seat. I know I'm staying within the guidelines of the seat when I do this. So make sure when you're raising your bicycle seat, you're staying within the guidelines of how high you're supposed to raise it up to the maximum. Don't go above the maximum, plain and simple, okay? Anyways, once you have it at your desired height, you're gonna tighten up that nut. So I'm just finger tightening it to hold the seat in place right now. The seat is being held in place, and you're like, oh, the seat's fine, it's staying in place. No, the moment you sit on that seat, if you don't tighten it really tightly, the moment you sit on that seat, it's gonna just boom, go to the bottom, or it's gonna start sinking. So you wanna get your pliers, and you really, really, really wanna tighten it down. So I'm really, really tightening it down. Really, oh, I'm going the wrong way. I'm sorry, that was loosening it. I'm gonna tighten it, sorry about that. I'm gonna tighten it down. So make sure you're going in the right direction, obviously. And as I'm doing this right here, I'm really tightening it down. I'm holding the locking pliers on the bolt head, and I'm turning the adjustable pliers on the nut. And I'm turning the adjustable pliers clockwise to tighten that nut. Make sure you're tightening it, and really make sure you've tightened it down, because you don't want it to sink, you don't want it to fall, you don't want it to collapse, you don't want it to do anything. You don't want it to adjust at all. This is your seat position, you want it to stay like that. So I'm really, there we go. I think that's basically as much as I can do. I'll go one more time on this side, but I think that's basically the best that I'm going to give it. Just like that. Yeah, that's as tight as it's going to go. Now you can obviously use a socket wrench, of course. You can use anything that will tighten or loosen this nut. But that's it. Now that I've done that and I've tightened it up, that seat is not going anywhere. I'm a father of 4. I have 4 kids. My wife and I have 4 kids together. My wife and I have 4 young kids, okay? You know, I'm all about the dad joke. So we have Luke, at the time of me filming this, Luke, who is 8, Olivia, who is about 6.5. We have Claire and Kate, who are twins that are almost going to turn 4. They're going to turn 4 in a couple of weeks at the time of me filming this. So dad jokes galore in my household, okay? And yes, that's not going anywhere. If you know, you know. Okay? That's a dad joke 101 right there. When something's nice and tight, you say, that's not going anywhere. Anyways, that's it. Enough with the dad jokes. Hopefully you enjoyed me showing you how to raise a bicycle seat. And hopefully you liked this tutorial, because I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.